Excavator. Excavator on the banks of a canal. A large treadmill turned by workers walking inside moves the arms of a crane. Buckets attached to the crane transport the earth removed by the diggers. Construction machine. Lifting machine for the transport of excavation material during the construction of a canal. The excavator is equipped with two superimposed cranes operated by the same rope, which works on the counterbalance principle. The workers, who are arranged on two floors corresponding to the two levels within which the cranes operate, jump into the empty compartment and with their weight move the rope and lift up the full compartment. Roasting spit. The flow of hot air rising up from the fire turns a fan that transfers the movement both to the spit below, next to the fire, and to a chain fitted with a hook. Man walking on water. A man walking on water with two inflatable or cork floats on his feet and two canes, also with floats, so that his weight is always distributed over 3 points of contact. Water pump with Archimedes screw. Machine consisting of a spiral pipe known as an Archimedes screw, which is turned by gears and cogwheels, lifting up the water and letting it flow into a container. Counterweight crane. Crane consisting of a half gear wheel moved by a lead weight. Mechanical wing. Design for the construction of a mechanical wing. Flower. Floral composition with great detail on the right-hand side, where the joining of the flowers is adorned with a group of leaves. Compass. Pivotless compass with a ring opening system and 2 springs on the stems. Mazzocchio. Mazzocchio, the tores of a column consisting of 32 octagonal base sections with a total of 256 faces. Plough. Scoop-type barrow, a plough that excavates and transports earth. Leonardo's car. Self-propelling wagon, also known as Leonardo's car. The vehicle is designed to cover short distances. Many have identified it as a court theatre machine or as an automaton. The trajectories of birds. Flight of birds, illustrated with the trajectories described by the birds. Study of artificial flight. Study of artificial flight for the design of a device with mechanical beating wings, consisting of a board resting on 2 wheels. Diver. Leonardo lists and illustrates the garments to be worn. Heavy jacket trousers, mask with glass goggles separated from the jacket, and a bagger, leather bag, with a valve, so it can be deflated and reinflated to allow the diver to descend and rise. There is also mention of a little leather bag for urinating. Valledicana map. Large map of Valledicana compiled for a project to enlarge the lake, which is shown at the bottom and to the right with the name Chiana. To the north of the lake, 3 forts indicate the localities of Montecchio, Montanina, and Castiglione Aretino, now known as Castiglione Fiorentino. Center and bottom, drainage system and road network along which there are towers and isolated buildings. Map of the region of Romorantin. Map with the following localities: Monricardo, Montrichard, Remorantin, Romorantin, Tours, Tours, and Amboise, Amboise. Oven. Oven, the temperature of which can be adjusted by the degree of aperture and by its forced ventilation system. Map of Europe. Parachute. Design for a parachute with a note that states, if a man has a rigging of tamped linen cloth which is 12 fathoms, braccia, per side, and 12 high, he may throw himself from any great height without risk of bodily harm. Machine for lifting water. Two towers that take water from the river using 2 large Archimedes screws. Naviglio Canal. Schematic drawing of a stretch of the Naviglio Canal in the San Cristoforo district of Milan. It is characterized by the outlets arranged on 2 levels, from which the water drains out. Villa at Vapriodadda. Architectural studies for the villa at Vapriodadda. Dual pump system for home. Hydraulic machine for collecting and distributing water in a dwelling. A hydrostatic wheel operates 2 pumps that raise water to the upper floor of an elegant building. Alembic. Coupled spherical vases joined by bent and curved pipes that connect up the liquid inside.